Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how to make Google Chrome your default browser on a Mac running macOS 26. To get started, click the Apple menu and open System Settings. Once you're in System Settings, look for the Desktop and Dock section and select it. After that, scroll down until you find the option called Default Web Browser. You'll probably see Safari selected by default, since it's the browser that comes built into macOS. Click the drop-down menu next to this setting, and you'll see a list of browsers installed on your Mac. Choose Google Chrome from the list. As soon as you select it, your Mac will save the change automatically, so there's no need to click a Save button. If this video is helping you out, take a moment to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Mac and iPhone tutorials. Now that Chrome is set as your default browser, any links you open from emails, messages, documents, or other apps will launch directly in Chrome instead of Safari. If Chrome doesn't appear in the list, make sure it's installed on your Mac and then reopen System Settings. You can also come back to this same setting anytime if you decide to switch to another browser in the future. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching this Delft Stack tutorial video, and I'll see you in the next one.